Hey guys, just going to be doing an HID install on my 2003 Saab 9.3 convertible. HID kits are very simple to do. Simple to install. If you know what you're doing, obviously. Something in regards to the clip, these H3 bulbs, they twist and then the bulb comes out. You're going to want to put the casing end in first and then clip it in and then slide the headlight bulb back in. I just realized that. I completely forgot about it, that's how these headlight bulbs work. I've owned a couple cars with this this style bulb before. I hate them. So just slide that in, clip it all back into place. Okay, so it did involve a little bit of forcing. I noticed that the casing that it goes on has these little nubs right here, these black nubs. They protrude a little bit further out than what the stock bulb does, so all you have to do is just kind of really push the clip in. I don't usually like to put a lot of force on certain things in the car. I don't want to break them, so I'm pretty easy with them like that. So now all you have to do, slide the bulb in. Twist it, and now just connect the wires. That's all you gotta do. And then this goes in here. Now what I want to do is turn the light on, the headlight's on, just to see if it works. So reach in, turn it on. Bang, bang, boom. There it is. That's the stock bulb. Icky, yellow, garbage. Nice. No flickers either, it looks like. So that's a good sign. But now the question is more, when I get in the car, is it going to show me a bulb failure? When the SID gets turned on, goes through the check. Yeah, front light failure. So, that's not a big deal. What I'll do is, I think I have some relays here, I'll just plug it in. Now it's the same thing for the other side. You know what? You can drive around like that with the front light warning on. It's not a big deal. You're not going to ruin anything. It's just more of an annoyance than anything. So now I'm just going to install this other side here, which is the exact same process. All right, there we are. Pop the dust cap off. It may be beneficial to remove the intake on this. I'm not going to. What a lot of people do here is they'll drill a hole in here so that you can fit all the wires through. I'm not going to worry about it right now. I don't have a drill at the moment, so no big deal. Unplug that. Find mounting clip, which is up here somewhere. There. Huh. That's interesting. Slightly different clip on this side. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to remove this first. Just this intake tube. It'll make my job a lot easier. Okay, so a little weird thing here. Looks like whoever had this before must have broken the headlight housing here. As you can see, the mounting clip, or the mounting point for the clip, is gone. So they fashioned in this stupid metal wire to make it fit. Why people do this, I have no idea. I understand you gotta do what you gotta do to get your car back into proper condition, but don't ruin stuff. If you gotta put OEM back in, put OEM back in. It's not a big deal. So then put this back in, orient it correctly, and then lock it. You take this end, plug it into the ballast. Let's see if I can get this oriented for you guys to see how the installation's done. Maybe not. And there we go. Just put everything back together all nicely. You know what, the reflectors aren't that bad. I know that a lot of people don't like installing HIDs on reflectors, but you know what? Unfortunately, with this car, with the Saab, there's not much you can do. They don't make projector headlights. I know that some people, what they do is they will grind down this fluting inside, but this is glass. So it takes a long time, a lot of grinding, and a lot of patience, which I do have a lot of patience, but you know, I don't really have the know-how on grinding down glass. So for now, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I think it looks good. Not a bad kit, actually. As far as that front bulb failure is concerned, I gotta look into that, because I'm pretty sure that there is a way to fix it. I have some relays here from another HID kit, but I'm not sure if it'll work. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.